Big up Crossy Stevie.
Grassy Stevie, you catch the things of last night. Come here and tell you, say.
My blood clot friend. Some entitled for be run who more entitled for who more be run. Come here, big woman, and I can make my own decisions, Keke. Keke, a boost in your tech, Keke. Keke, remember your girl can think by your own. Keke, remember your girl cannot think on your fucking own. And that if you come tell the people them say. Keke, remember you can't think by your blood clot own. Okay, that's said and done. Moving forward. Okay, so that's why now when time I come with the party idea, you shoot it down off the bat. Remember me, you and Strawberry dip on the phone. When time I call a three-way blood clot, call Mr. Strawberry and Keke me or something for talk to me about. That's why Keke Strawberry are 10 times better blood clot girl for you. Look at how you try to match up yourself to Strawberry. Strawberry a better girl for you 10 times, Keke. Keke, come in know what got you, man. I don't know who tell you say you look good, Keke, but I don't know if you want some binoculars. I don't know what you want for put on, girl, but you don't look good. Keke, you don't look good, Keke. Keke, you don't look good. Everybody we are telling us you look good, I lie them a lie to you, girl. Everybody we are telling us you look good, I lie them a fucking lie to you. Because Keke, you don't stay good. Me give you say you can dance, Keke, but you don't look good. Keke, you bad man, the young girl them when you come up, and that's your problem. Keke, you bad man, the young girl them like Emily, me and some of the next hot girl them out there. We are come up, my loving at the game. We are come up with your sister, alright. When I did them the age there, you couldn't do what the girl them I do now. And that hurt you. You keep on a company internet a walk and tell people say, oh, you make me put on nails, oh, you make me put on makeup, oh, you make me do this, oh, you make me do. Keke, you did not. You motherfucker did not. You did not. You fucking did not, girl. Yes, you encouraged me to be my true version of myself because I come to you, I confide in you, I say, Keke, you know, say, this is what I really want to do it down in my heart, but I don't know how to come out with it. Yes, you encourage me, say, girl, do what you have to do, and guess what, fuck what people say. But Keke, you could have never. Keke, remember the first blood clot time one time I put on makeup, Keke, you tell me, if you never see the picture where Keke screen, when Keke take down and filter out and don't tell me now, so if I put up that game, I'll get man. And that Keke said to me, you know, Keke now think about the fact that me I do this to myself and I do this to man. And that's say you go wrong, Keke, and that's say you go stay bad, and you forever go stay bad, girl. Girl, even the same friend them where you around bring you down. Girl, remember say your story come out from a girl where they living at your house. Keke, remember you come on live and ball I water. Remember you could even answer the girl, the same girl who pay your live today day. Remember you could answer the same girl when you come out and say, here, me see your medication, them are your medication, that your medication, girl. You sit down in front of the people and all could have come in your blood clot eye, a tears and it running, and you could answer the girl. Remember you therefore walk or left the blood clot girl when the girl come out and attack. Facts out and clean blood clot mouth. And this we are talk about. And this we are talk about. Strawberry, me I tell Keke say, and the people them on the internet say, you're way better blood clot girl for Keke. Way better girl. Because guess what? One thing with Strawberry in a bad man and she not envy. Strawberry in a bad man and she not envy a blood clot, yo. Strawberry, you remember when time the company internet can't tell the people them say Keke dead? Dominic come back publicly come apologize to everybody on the blood clot internet. Say people, you know, some never take it so serious. I mean, take this as a prank, but it go far. I realize it go far way to affect people, and people are a ball, and people are stressed out, and people weary, and people this and people that my love. Me say, my company live, and me say when me realize it get so far, me apologize for everything what me do. Remember, me see man company. I remember after that, me and the old Eden over blood clot there so. Sit down on phone and me and she sit down and discuss the party. Remember when time I keep the party, the money when me have me come to and me say to say two things me either go use it do. Me either go use it keep the party, or me either go use the blood clot money and go rent one apartment and use Strawberry jump up same time. I say, girl, go rent your house, go get your house party can fuck off. You can always keep party next year. Me say Strawberry and dirty blood clot, fuck a bush, cat mouth, shitty bottom, blood clot, dog hole, Keke. Keke say, girl, anything with strawberry, tell us if you do it, if you do, girl. Because guess what? You gotta have your house. After one night was a party, you gotta have someone to live there. And I live at the hotel one time. Everybody on the internet used to bring me down. But look at me now, I'm a nice, clean blood clot. Also, my 65-inch TV, I'm a nice, clean bedroom. So I want nice little couch long over this in my blood clot room. My bed comfortable in a blood clot. Me comfortably in America. Keke, your bunks run a blood clot, Keke. You jump from here to there, to there, to there, to there, to there, no blood clot. This minute to there in New York, you realize your pussy now sell. Your pitch go California, Keke. And Keke, when I go back down to California, you realize your pussy still not sell because your pussy now have no market, no value. Keke, your bottom rub right blood clot out. Keke, your body will stretch right blood clot out. Keke, you see run at the rim of your body, it still bad. Keke, your face and your mouth still bad, your mouth looks stink, Keke. Keke, remember man shit in your blood clot mouth, girl. Keke, man shit out your blood clot mouth, dirty whole blood clot, Keke. Keke is no conditioner blood clot, girl. And no class a girl for come yourself for come go like you want size up on internet blood clot, girl. Quality blood clot, girl. Keke, remember say a quality over quantity, Keke. Remember me a quality blood clot, girl. Keke, your ambition over hype. I do this blood clot, your ambition over hype. Keke, remember you have no ambition. Keke, remember for your little your mother put you out, your mother ate you because you're a Batman. Keke, remember your whole family ate you. The only girl never ate you where your cousin a strawberry and him pick you up, girl, and say come if I capture also in a you go in there with way. Keke. Strawberry pick you up and say if I capture house, you go in there with blood clot them. Don't forget that, girl. Keke, your mouth look stink. Keke, me can't tell you last time you go get your teeth them clean. Keke, you know see your face a withered up and hard not no blood clot. Keke, the hormone can't help you. Keke is a big old man and that a bad you. Keke is a all strong chopped in blood clot ear pan chest man and a that a killer, girl. Keke, remember me young I'm nice, I'm able no blood clot. Keke, everywhere me go man look me. Keke, everywhere me go man look me. Quality blood clot man. Keke, remember you only fuck them all street side blood clot boy. Them boy they wanna have no substance for give because no decent righted man now look pan you and give them and make them fuck you or you fuck them, Keke. Keke, you stay bad in America. Keke, for you come America, me never see you wear one human here yet. Keke, for you come America, me never see you wear one blood clot quality wig. Keke, show me one quality wig where you wear on the internet. Keke, show me one wig where you pay $200 blood clot dollar for. I'm not fact me never go so far because the wig price drop. Keke, show me one human here where you have in your blood clot house. Show me one blood clot quality hairstyle where you ever put in and put up on the internet. Keke, I be a bag wig, ladder bag blood clot wig, hair wig you have, girl. A big blood clot can tell her where clothes you wear, girl. Keke, me never see you look good yet. Keke, me never see you look good yet, and a long time you out, a long time you a Batman. Keke, you a Batman from about 7. Keke, you come out to the public from about 7. And I never see you look good yet, girl. People on the internet and talk truth never see Keke look good yet. Oh, no ever see Keke look good yet. Oh, no ever see Keke look good yet. Sit down and think about it. Sit down and think about it. If you not ever see blood clot Keke look good yet. You ever see Keke go sit down in a chair and say, girl, do my face? You ever see Keke sit down in a one blood clot something and say, do my face? You not ever see Keke sit down in a one chair and say, do my face? Never. Keke, never. Keke, and me never see Keke go sit down in front of Jada Royal or one of them blood clot girl there in New York when she did there. I said, girl, throw under wig upon my blood clot head a synthetic, but throw you and make it look like a blood clot Peruvian. Them girl wanna spend money upon themselves. No girl wanna spend money upon themselves. Keke, you hungry looking no blood clot. Keke, you hungry looking no blood clot. Keke, you stay bad. Keke, this minute again look weight and the next minute to drop off. Keke, again the weight this minute and the next week the weight drop right blood clot off. You gain the weight and the next minute your weight drop right fucking off, girl. Because I'll weight ate you, man ate you, dog ate you, puss eat you, rat eat you, everything blood clot eat you. Keke, man only fuck you and tell him all of the rest of cat girl them tell them no. Listen to what I just say a while ago. Man fuck you when all of the rest of girl them tell him no. Keke is a rebound. You is a rebound Batman. You is a rebound Batman girl. Wanna make Batmanism look nasty. Wanna make real man stay on the outside and see you. When real man see you, them thinks a Batman disgusting and nasty. Keke, you have to go stop wear blood clot woman clothes because he's a big man now. Keke, read the Bible and pray every blood clot dear. Keke, read the Bible and pray every day that God send a decent woman in your life and you stop where the woman clothes them and turn over your life. Keke, your Batman, you get old now. You're getting old now. A time for you to change your life and give your life to the Lord, girl. Because you're about to will fuck right out. Keke, from me know your boy never claim you yet. All the boy them will fuck you when they come on the internet contacts you know so that boy you fuck me. The boy tell us a Keke a liar tell in front of your face. Keke, me did that sister, the boy when you talk, say you fuck. The boy tell you no, not go so. Because the boy embarrass you. Keke, the boy shame you. Keke, the boy shame for saying fuck you. I be a drunk blood clot fuck and high fuck you get. Keke, remember your coat blood clot head in America. Let me tell the people them. Keke, remember you're there California boy give you coke in your blood clot with for smoke and you smoke and say you feel good. Keke, your coke in a blood clot America drug addict. So see there, you're Batman that a 1, 2 you take fucking your body, 3 you smoke, 4 you take coke, 5 you drink alcohol, 6 you stay bad, 7 your body you wither down, 8 them say you're on medication. Girl, 8, me don't know what you gonna tell God say when you reach at the blood clot gate. Me don't know what you gonna tell God say, but you have to go figure it the fuck out. 8 reasons, Keke, why you're not supposed to be a Batman, because you first comment you stay bad. Keke, your mouth has so be a blood clot frat. Keke, remember every minute you have to go cut off your hair. Then you come on the internet and say water. Every minute you go cut off your hair. And your company media can say water, my hair can't grow too far. Remember that something then, remember good. Remember good, girl. Remember good. Keke, remember good. Keke, remember good, na girl. Remember good, girl. Remember good. Keke, you eat me come a fat and I'm a fluffy in a blood clot and round and plummy. Keke, my face fat and my body look good in a blood clot. If the boy them can't find it in the face, they must find it in the blood clot waist. Keke? Keke, you may talk to Keke, girl. Keke, come over here, sir, girl, and you may talk to. Keke, you may talk to, girl. Oh, no, look pan Keke face good. If anything call me, I tell. I see the man in blood clot, she a come out. The man in Keke no stop show, girl, because Keke still bad. Keke was born as a boy. I am a boy. My name is Blood Clot Roy. Keke, I am a boy. My name is Roy. Keke, if you ever the little boy under the mango tree, no blood clot. Keke, if you ever the little boy under the mango tree. Keke, if you ever the little boy under the mango tree. I am a boy. My name is Roy. Roy, stop telling people say your name Keke, Roy. Take it off of the internet, Roy. Roy, don't tell nobody say your name Keke because you bring down the woman character. Roy. Somebody tag Roy for me now. On the tag Roy for me there though. On me asking for tag Roy. But you come on this blood clot about your name Keke. Keke, my body hole no blood clot. Keke, remember say me and you know say you have no bottom left. Keke, remember say me and you know say you have no bottom left. Keke, remember say when you want shit drop out of your body wall. Keke, you take he, she and the old blood clot lady. Keke, me can pinpoint 10 boy you fuck you. Keke, do that. Do that and beat me. Do that and beat me, Keke. I want thing me tell the internet like I want him to talk out of my nice clean mouth. Me say my pussy not tight, but it gummy. My pussy not tight because tight hole now wear, but it gummy. And guess what you say because my pussy gummy? Boy keeps coming back. Boy keeps wanting more. A boy never fuck me one time yet, Keke, and never come back. Keke, a boy never pop a condom yet and put it back in a blood clot. Keke, a boy never. Keke, tell the internet say you eat me cause chew me look good. And that you have to tell the people them say, Keke, I'm not stop bring you down. I'm not stop rub you out. A matter of fact, I don't need no company for rub you, Keke, because anything I need for rub you about me know and facts me a talk out of my mouth. Facts me a talk out of my nice clean mouth. 49 no run go over Keke, go look. Go run go over Rye. Go look pan the Batman and tell me if that look like a one girl to you. Uno go over right. I when him put on makeup, him still no look good. Him still no look like a girl. I when Rye put on makeup, Rye still no look like a blood clot girl. Uno show me one suit where Keke put up on the internet will look good. Eh? Uno show me one suit where the Batman put on when they can say yes. The girl spend $1 on herself and the girl come out. Talk to me now, talk to me. Wanna show me one outfit where the girl put together wanna say, yeah man, that girl is a top girl. The girl can chew herself together. Wanna show me one outfit where Keke in a way when Keke put on him look like a one real girl that depend no to blood clot. Bad to bad when the girl take off her wig and she take off her clothes, she look girly. When she put on her wig and she put on her clothes, she look girly. One picture me ask, you know. Rye favor hooligan. Egg blood clot, exactly. Exactly. Not one. Not one. Not one. So how them girl if you come class me? Eh? How them girl if you bring me down? See them, me jump on the plane where they cute and girly. Me jump on the plane where they cute and girly. That's something simple and cute. Keke could have never do that. Remember Keke shoulder them one thumping. Keke man back was out. Remember Keke strong and heavy and hard, you know, and masculine. So how them girl if you come talk to me? Them girl ain't no portion to girl. Them girl ain't no class a girl. Them girl ain't no condition a girl. No make them girl internet life fool. No matter of fact, she don't look good on the internet. And that me a talk about. Sure, the girl that will look good on the internet and will make sense with them and Keke that see it a Marsha and Mace, Lord G, a Marsha and them girl there, where in a Keke in them the ear drape there, where you can say bad to bad the girl there, she at 36 and she look good. Marsha is that girl and some of the next girl in New York. Which Keke can stand up in them the girl shoes? One them and them in the same age category. Keke a different category type of blood clot shit. This different category. And you not even cut the cut. You not pass the dash. You not pass the dash. You didn't make the cut, my nigga. You did not. The fuck? Fuck out of here. What's wrong with you? The hell? Keke name one boy will fuck you and stay with you. Name just one. Remember I didn't come on the internet and the class me. Say me and my husband left. And the class me tell me say me and my husband in a wheelchair. Remember I don't know about my husband. When the class me I say my husband stay bad. And my husband this and my husband that. But don't him did married me. Don't him they want me down the island say baby I do. The one time the blood clot, the judge said, we not pronounce you together. Don't the boy did hug me up and kiss me. Don't the boy did own me up and introduce me to him family. Don't the boy did do all of that, girl. Name one boy where did that. Just one. I'm not ask about two, just one. Name one boy where carry to him mother and say, mommy, this is Bay. Name one boy will do that. Name one boy, Keke, will put on him clothes and walk out a road with you and don't feel shame. Remember when time me and my husband did there, my husband used to say, why me no walk on road didn't make me shame of him. If Trim a big man, I'm younger. Hey, Keke? So you ever think you can size up on a girl like me? Keke, the America 4.5 years now, and you never have a work permit. Keke, you don't even have a ID with a picture upon the West America. Keke, you don't even have an ID in America. Where say, what's your name again? Fuck. Where about the boy right name? Shit. I don't remember it now, but our passport in my phone. Show me one ID in America with a picture upon it where say United States of America. A matter of fact, when you come here, show me a city ID. Cause you there too long for come show a girl a city ID, Keke. Keke, the America 4.5 years now and never socially you don't have it in America. So how you a condition a girl, Keke? Keke, remember say from I come America one time I never have no blood clot papers, but still working. Eh? Abraham Weinstein. From remember say from I come America when I never have no papers, but it's still working. Keke, remember say from I come America, I never beg you $1 yet a girl beg out my blood clot money. Eh, Keke? You forgot that? See, you been a beg out my blood clot money? So, girl, when I send my blood clot money to girl when I feed, can't think so them can class me. Oh, you supposed to feel so you can class me, Keke? With my hard working blood clot money, I remember saying I never pussy myself. Remember, I never cock my spooting on my blood clot more, forgetting me get up and work for it. I could have $20 me ever send in a life. I work my work blood clot feet. Oh, you could have things, you could have sit down anywhere you were there and class me. Eh? Make this make sense. Keke, for me know you never spend you never spend one stir the 4 bills by yourself yet. You never spend one stir the 4 bills by yourself one time yet, Keke. Me never see in a brand. Keke, me never see in a brand with one of the cheapest brand of Polo. You know them brand that we can go in a Saks Fifth. Fifth Avenue and go up on the sales rack and take off one of them local brand there. Sorry, I'm going to pay $140 for the front feet because the brand name same way. I never seen no local Armani, no Imperial Armani, none of them local cute local things there. Keke, the same party where did I bring down my dress and wear come and party a $500 blood clot that I'm pay for it. And I asked Tamara, me and Tamara the gonna blood clot a try on outfit. And Mr. Tamara, this is the one, him so much fit and him literally tell me $500. Mr. Tamara, I now watch no face. Me I pay the $500 and walk out with my blood clot dress. Hey, Keke? Keke, for you live America, you never have one address yet. Keke, your bunks about no blood clot, your box round. Keke, my house address where I live, which month we know, November? September, October, November. 1 year and 3 months, me live since my rent it, girl. 1 year and 3 blood clot months. In a 1 year and 3 months, Keke, you live a 3 other blood clot, girl. Yeah, that's why Ashley 8, yeah. Keke, remember, say that's why Ashley did leave your friendship alone and jump to man because Ashley 9, yeah. Yeah, and the same Ashy where they bring me down on the internet, she see man coming on my inbox and beg me forgiveness and I delete the message in a blood clot. Cause no pan here can't come feel like them want to do me wrong and come back and apologize. Suck your mother. Yeah? Keke, are you me a blood clot? Talk to Roy. I am a boy. My name is Roy. Are you me a talk to you, look a boy? You the same boy under the mango tree. You me a talk to. You talk for the life of your mouth. Your two mouth kinda just a sod fraud cause your mouth kinda sore. Eh? Kick your mouth look shit in a blood clot. Your condition bad in America. Keke, remember me a girl with the lipo and do this and do this and do that for my body pure to my blood clot pocket cash. Remember me a girl with do all of the do me a the girl will go to Dr. Miami, me a the girl will go to Dr. Blood Clot, Czech Republic and Dr. We and chop up and peel up and set up. Keke, remember me spend quality money for my blood clot body Keke. I mean I asking a facts me a talk out of my mouth and me say me go to Dr. Miami. Straight down a blood clot, Dr. Miami go spend money for my blood clot self. Already, me not ready for come out on the blood clot internet yet. Already, me not ready to say me lock off my camera when me go on our live, girl. I have the camera up in my face. Already, me not ready yet for come out on the blood clot internet with my new body, with my look good self. Already, me not ready yet, girl. So Keke, you can't class me. Keke, remember me take play like a taxi in a blood clot. Keke, remember me a condition a girl for you. Me a portion to blood clot girl for you, girl. Me not ask you, tell me I tell you that. Me not ask you, Keke, if me you stand upside and side, girl, man, walk past you and come stop by me. Keke, remember from a young me, girl, if I'm a little bit me as a girl. Nobody not draw me out. Me a bring her down. Me a drag her. Go look on the woman toenail them. Go check the woman blood clot toenail them or I'm not even know to describe her blood clot foot. Them girl never go a nail shop yet and go put them foot in a blood clot water and say lady scrub my foot bottom. Them girl already save them money in Senegal, Jamaica go give man. For them take you and send go give them mother. Them rather send for boy to come cross the border, the same boy them when I want them, but I take you invest it in themselves. Then a she you call class a girl. Them girl in a address in America. Them girl in a live nowhere. Me talk out of my mouth since you no one know them girl in a live nowhere. One time she did there in New York, a Tony and she did live with. A Tony and she did live with a Tony and she catch with a New York. She go to New York and still couldn't get the free apartment. They think the government are idiot? The government say you there 4 years and no not even a social and have tea blood clot name, girl. The government say it's a old ladder bag. It's all caucus blood clot bag only take up space and breathe the people them oxygen in a blood clot America. Keke girl like you have a ship back no blood clot of Saudi Arabia. Cause you have a Jamaica you're supposed to go. Cause you only go them now go take up space again. Keke, remember you one of the only bottom I one time I come America come ask for asylum. Jamaica never fight for you. Remember Jamaica never fight for you to tell them say no you can't take that one here. That one you go to school and get proper education and brain drain that will affect me economy. Jamaica never fight for you. Girl. Keke, you can never look like blood clot me. Never. Keke, you could never look like me, girl. Me not ask you. Never in your blood clot lifetime. I will show some things on the internet, you know, man. I'm not ready yet, you know. I'm not ready yet, girl. I'm not ready yet, man. I'm not make that girl make me show when I'm not ready for show the internet yet. Suck your mother. Suck your mother, Kiki. You can't class me. Cause me never beg you a night dinner yet. Me never beg you a night dinner yet, Kiki. For sure you always not you is no conditioner, girl. Me never invite you a me yard yet. Kiki, remember you used to sit up on the phone and say, Milan, rent 1 2-bedroom apartment and make me live together. I remember good. I remember you never have no offer rent it with a blood clot. Remember, you say Milan, rent 1 2-bedroom apartment, girl, and make me live together and pay the rent. Remember you asked me say if you're in the next room, if you can stay for in the next room and sell your fuck so you can pay rent, girl. I'm say Kiki, bad to bad girl, if I rent the 2-bedroom, girl, you can come stay with me. I'm not really charge you, but you need to help me with the bills. And me are the same wicked girl we you talk about. Me are the same wicked blood clot girl where you talk about. Kiki, remember when I did in Mexico, you asked me for left hand Germany in a blood clot. Come sit down in Mexico with us to tell them taking a detention center. I come, I go back to Germany. And I say, Kiki, a mascot. Eh? Kiki, remember when you come out of the detention center, I the same girl we celebrate with jumping on my bed to tell her my bed bottom boss. Oh, me celebrating a blood clot. Eh? In girl? And I miss you when you want to come go like you want to come class. Kiki, me tell you already, me tell you say you could have been my friend. And me a keep something. Or me a keep something you walk and bring it down on the internet. And that me say and that me mean. And that me say and that my blood clot mean. You could have been my friend. And I bring down where you see the girl try something on the internet. That means you bad mind me. You bad mind me. You hate me from a long time, Kiki. Remember you just come confirm me on the live. So you hate me for a long blood clot time. You see me tell us a Batman wicked. Oh no, see me mean I say Batman wicked. I say Batman cut Jesus slippers and give him vinegar for blood clot drink. And them a Batman that we are talk about. Them Batman that we set up on a live. Them batty boy we set up on a life.